Friends, an urgent announcement. As I'm sitting here testing my new strategy, look at this success rate, 9 pluses, 0 minuses. And now I'll show you and tell you all about this strategy. And in the comments, write whether you think it will work or not. You can also test it right away, and also write in the comments if you got pluses or minuses. I wish you a pleasant viewing, and let's get started. Friends, I'll get straight to the point. Look, what is this strategy all about? I'm sitting, watching, and thinking. When you know technical analysis, trends, volumes, and so on, then your trading is good, and your analysis is also good. But if you're a complete beginner, how can you trade and make money? I was sitting and thinking and remembered a very good indicator. It's quite old, but it still works. And today, we'll check if you can make money with it or if it's already old school. If you can, I'll tell you everything about how to trade and make money with it. And the indicator is called Stochastic. We're moving to the Pocket Option Broker, opening the indicators. And here we open the Stochastic. How to trade with it, how it works. I'll tell you everything now, friends. And we also opened the best balance distribution table, the Phantoms table. This is my personal table, my personal website, which you can also get. It's free. You don't have to do anything. Go to Telegram. The link is in the description under the video, in the profile, and in the comments. And it's pinned there, friends. So how does it work? Look, my balance is exactly $10,000. I take 5 steps. I take $10,000, I write my deposit and take $220. I press distribute, and look, it turned out to be 5 steps. If I want to get a simply flawless success rate, that is, so that you never blow your balance, then I can set, for example, let's say 7 steps, and I'll put, how much is that? $40? Right? Probably? Okay, and for the first step, let's set it to $42. Calculate. Here the yield is 92. Here it's 2.25, and the balance is $10,000. Let's move on. It turned out to be 7 steps. My first tier is $42, the next is 94, and so on. So if it's negative, I move to the next step. If it's a loss, I take the next step. If it's a win, I go back to the first step and continue trading. Just so you understand, with the 5-step table, I haven't lost my deposit once in 4 months. With the 7-step table, not only will you not lose your balance in 3 months, you'll never lose it in your entire life. And that's how we're going to try to trade today. Only I will try, let's say 5 steps, because the profit will grow. That is, you either trade safely but earn less, or less safety but you earn more. Okay, we press calculate, and my first step is $220. I switch over, I place $220. How do you trade with this indicator? Look, I set a 1-minute time frame, and the expiration time is also 1 minute, but I would advise you to even try 30 seconds. Let's try 30 seconds. And the expiration time is also 30 seconds. And we start running through currency pairs, looking for where to enter and make money. So for example, look, we'll take 30 seconds to go down. GBP USD, 30 seconds down, and we're waiting for it to close. Why did I enter? Because the stochastic indicator shows us that the market has hit the upper level, a crossover has occurred, and the market is falling. And on this move, we should actually make a profit or we'll lose $220. We're watching, 12 seconds to go, not working out, 24 points. 0.302. So we do take the minus, right? Yeah, we took a loss. My entry wasn't great. I should have entered from a higher entry point. Okay, I'm going to the table and taking the second step. That is, I'm taking $495. So $495, and I'm going down again. GBP USD. I took 30 seconds to go down, took the second step, and we're waiting for the close. Why did I take the second step, and why did I enter here again? Because we can see that the indicator shows that the market should go down. And we'll check that right now. 10 seconds to go. Again, not working out. Will it be a minus again, friends? Another loss again? 5 seconds to go. 5 seconds, and we have a small profit. 14 points, 10 points, and we got a plus. Excellent. My balance is increased by $200. I'm going back to the first step. My first step is $220. So you see, it's a great balance distribution table. Friends, you know what else this site is useful for? You scroll down to the very bottom and you can set a goal for yourself. For example, you set a deposit of $1,000 and a goal of $10,000. I want to earn in a month. And you click distribute. That's it. And we start completing tasks daily. we'll need to earn 8% a day. If you've earned, you set a goal, that is, you check the box and go on earning like that every day. And over 30 days, you earn yourself $10,000. Or you can set it there that your balance is $100. So $100, and I want to earn, well, let's say also $10,000. Distribute, and you'll already need to earn almost 17% of the balance per day. If you've earned, you also check the boxes for yourself and trade friends. So whoever wants to get this site, go to my Telegram. The link is in the description under the video, in the profile, and in the comments. It's free. You don't have to buy anything. You go there and get it. Write me a private message, and I'll send it to you. Okay, that's it. Let's look further. Our pass rate is already positive. We've already earned $240. Now I'm taking $220 and looking for where to enter and earn. The most important thing is not to rush, because these are short-term trades, short-term time. If you enter randomly, there will be losses, friends. Okay. Well, right here, let me try. Kachik, I'm doing a 30-second down trade with $220. Why did I take it? Because I took it from a higher point. And we see that the indicator shows that the market should go down. And we see it's going, we're waiting for the closing. So we entered GBP USD then, and now we're on CAD JPY. 10 seconds to go, a gain of 7 points. And this wiping out. Look, right in the last 10 seconds. Yeah, it's wiped out. Imagine 3 seconds. Yeah, damn, it wiped out. Okay, no big deal. We're taking the second step, 495. This is my second step, and I'm looking further for where to enter and make a profit. The most important thing is not to rush. Here we can enter a bit later when the market hits the lower level and there's a crossover. Then we enter and make a great profit. Okay, for example, no, it's too early here too. Although right here, I think in about a minute we can take it down. Let's wait now. Maybe there will be a crossover now and we can enter it down. We're waiting for the next move of the indicator. Almost. Okay, come on, I'll give it a try anyway. Euro USD took $495. We see I could have entered higher, but the indicator showed it a bit late. There, you see, that's it. It showed that the market is going down. Took it. Damn, if I'd taken the entry point here, it would have been a great profit. But here, you see, the entry point is not the best. And maybe because of that, it'll be a loss. Just because of me. Because I took a bad entry point. We have 6 seconds to go. There's a 30-point move. Waiting for the close. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. And we take a great profit. Right before your eyes, I earned $479, my friends. And I only got to the second step. Excellent. I think that's very cool. Now, let's also take $220. And I'm looking further for where to enter and earn money. Okay, AUD, USD, no. AUD, CAD, no, my friends. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel, because you can subscribe to my Telegram channel right now and write, I want to join the team. I'll add you to Phantom Family. 77 people trade with me. The team is completely free. Whoever wants to join the team, write to me. I'll add you and you'll trade and earn with us. The command is free, folks. Find the Telegram link in the description, profile, or comments. You can also study the reviews of people who trade with us every day. Look, Sergey writes, hello, balance is $1,195, raised from $900. Excellent. Next, Igor, hello. It's calmer to trade with you. Balance is $501. Thanks for the support. I've raised $400. That is, the person had a balance of $100 and earned $400. Awesome. Let's look further. Kirill writes, hi, balance is $1,167. Thank you so much. I started with $570. Thank you. Thanks to the team. Good balance, $996. Thanks to the team for their support. Leonid writes, that is, you can see, people trade, people earn. You can do the same, friends. So who wants to be in a good team? If you are tired of losing your deposit, then I advise you, our team. It's free, you don't have to buy anything. You write and I'll add you. Okay, well, come on, I'll go in here. I took CAD down for 30 seconds, and I took $220. That is, I took the first step of our table. So where is it? The first step of our table, and we're watching. 15 seconds left. 53-point move. And here we take another plus. 9 seconds left. He won't close the gap here, I think. We'll grab a solid win now. 5 seconds to go. 43 points. We've got to move, friends. Yes, we got it. And before your very eyes, I have earned, friends, almost 10% of the balance. Well, to be more precise, I have earned 7% of the balance. Awesome. I think it's very cool, friends. Before your eyes, I went in, went out, did everything before your eyes, and earned. You can do the same. It doesn't matter if the balance is $10,000 or $100. That is, you go to the table, friends. You set your balance there at $100. $100 balance, and you just put, instead of 220, you put, for example, now $2, and also press calculate. And you also start trading and earning. You can even try $3. Will it work? No, $3 is already a bit much. We put in $2 and start trading. You've earned $200. Change your table again and trade on. Or even if you make a balance of $136, you can already bet $3 and you'll earn more. And you'll leave me more and more useful feedback, positive comments, and so on. Friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and we'll see you tomorrow.